here, guys. Big up yourself. Merry Christmas, happy holidays. I just did a video last night tying up some rigs last night. I actually did one of the rigs for you that I've tied up before, that you probably seen in my last video, that I've caught double snappers on it. It's a rig that I use on a regular basis. It is my go-to rig, especially in reefy areas and grassy areas where the weight sits on the bottom and the hooks actually sit above the grass or above the rocks, that the fish can actually hit it and move very fast. All right, guys, so stay tuned to the video, guys. Big up yourself. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't liked, shared, and subscribed yet, please like, share, and subscribe. Big up yourself. Happy holidays. This is what's up, guys. I got myself some line here. I got myself about 40 inches of line, 30, give or take, about 40 inches. I stretched my arm out, and I still got a little bit left. So it's a 40-pound monofilament line that I just pulled off the rest of the reel. It's the last of what I had because I was tying rigs earlier here. So I said, while I'm tying rigs and I have the hooks out and I have stuff like the swivel and the weights. So I use these weights, guys, bank sinker weights. I make these here myself, actually. I have the mold, and my friend Ricardo has the pot, so we kind of melt the stuff down, being safe and doing it and trying our best not to get contaminated with lead. Also, guys, I'm using a swivel. I don't know if you can see that, guys, but this is the barrel swivel. This is one of the things that we need to tie that rig, and we're going to need 2 circular hooks, guys, because I use 1/0 circular hooks. These are the hooks I stay strictly to, like gospel. I go to bigger ones when I'm going for bigger fish, but these are normally my go-to for jack, snapper, and other fish that I eat. All right, guys, check it out. So first step, what we're gonna do is check our line to make sure that we don't have any knots or kinks or stuff in it that's gonna bother us or give us any issues here, guys. And I actually, while I was stretching it out a while ago, found a little knot here, and let's get that out real quick. Just like number 1, 2, 3, guys, and then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There you go, guys. Put it through the loop, hold tension, come back down here again, and pull again. There you go, guys. So there goes next Snell viewers. Check this out. All right. All right, ready for the next step is push the tag in right back through that loop again, guys, and get that unified line together just like this. There you go, right through the eye. Now we're gonna do the 3 fingers again. Come back around, middle finger it, come back around again, and we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, guys. Here we go again. So we adjust that now like this to the length that we want it, and we hold our hook so we don't pull in our fingers, and we tighten. See, in this case I didn't need to moist it. Look at that, guys. All right, now I'll do the next one now. Ready for the next step? We're gonna come back across again, get the 2 fingers in there again, create that X, and then we twist. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We'll go 9, and then we'll come with the hook through that same loop that we just created and come up in the ear all the way till that first knot comes up above the line. So here it goes, guys. We're gonna bring that knot up above. Bam. There you go, guys. And solid. There you go.
Jamaican Shore Fishing, guys. Check it out. Alright, now guys, we got both T-knots in. Now the next step that I normally do would add my weight. So using my weight now, guys, I send it through the loop. Right, guys, so this is it. Send it through the loop, guys. Then I take my middle finger like this. I go over my middle finger, then I come under, and I'll wrap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, guys, and I'll go back through the loop again that I brought over my finger, and then I pull and I come down, guys, like this, locking that knot onto the weight. And this is alright, this is that uni knot, guys. So I use a uni knot on my weights because it's kind of harder for them to come off. I cast so hard sometimes that I send the rig all the way off. So this is how it look, guys, over under rig with 2 J hooks, 2 T knots, and the weight in the lower section, guys. So now I add my swivel because I have a lock swivel on the end of all my rods, so I can change off rigs as I please. So depending on what rig I want to use, I keep a lock swivel at the end. The same process in tying it, just like I did with the weights. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'll go 6. I'm not gonna go more than that. Normally I'd go, depends on the thickness of the line, but this is, get that through the loop, get that pulled up, and get that down there. There we go, guys. I gotta get my snipper. Let me get that over here, guys. Snipper, snip. Neat that up a bit, make it look more professional. Alright, guys, so now weight. Weight. First T-knot. Second T-knot. Swivel, uni knot. So that's our over under rig, guys. Alright, so big up yourself, guys. Thank you for watching. Like, share, subscribe if you haven't yet. Give us that thumbs up. Alright, guys, big up yourself. Thank you for watching Jamaican Shore Fishing. We out there.